Hi everyone, in this video we'll see IIS installation and configuring a website in it. So let's go and install IIS server. It's a similar installation. Add roles and features. You need to select Webserver IIS, add features and click next. Check HTTP redirection here, enroll services. Also check FTP services because I'll also show you like how to configure FTP services in it using IIS. Click next. Now installation is complete. We'll create a website. Open inetmgr from run, or else you can open IIS from a start menu. Once it is done, there will be a default website. You have to create a new site. I want to create a new website. Add website here. Provide us the details, site name, physical path, where your website is located, kind of your HTML pages where you stored it. Binding, please provide your IP where this website is you want to get it hosted. Now adding a default document. As you can see, this is my web page which I have it already created HTML page, and I have given this physical path for the website which I created in INET Manager. So while creating the default document, we have to give the same name of our web page HTML document which we created there. Now click on default document. You need to add the web page.html here. Click OK. Now we need to enable directory browsing. Go to directory browsing. On your left hand side, click enable. So directory browsing is enabled. Now we need to configure DNS for this. I have already showed you in my previous video like how to configure DNS. Now I am configuring for this website. Now DNS is configured. Now we'll check whether our website is able to access. As you can see, website is accessible now. My HTML page got displayed. Now we'll see website redirection. To configure redirection, I have created one more site called abc.com, just like how I created Techie Empower. Now I'll go to Techie Empower, click on redirection. HTTP redirect, and I'll give my abc.com name here. So people who tries to open techieempower.com, that need to be redirected to abc.com here. So now if you verify, we'll go for techieempower.com, but after that it will redirect to abc.com. See, it got redirected to abc page. Now we can also change the IP and port number for our website. I'll show you how. You need to click on bindings, which is on your right hand side. There you can change the IP and port number. I'm not changing anything here now. I just showed you like how to change it. Now let's see FTP. We have also installed FTP, right, while installing Webserver IIS. So for that I have to create a folder. I'll also keep some documents in it. Now open inetmgr, create a site, add FTP site. So need to give the FTP site name and a physical path of the folder which I have created. I don't have a SSL certificate here, so I'll mark it as no SSL and also assign IP. So FTP this to this IP should redirect to that files. I'm giving permission for all users. Read and write. Now log into other system and try to access this FTP IP. There is displayed. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.